Handling click events on RecyclerView items involves implementing a mechanism to detect when an item in the list is clicked and then performing some action based on that click. In this video, we'll follow a step-by-step guide on how to achieve handling click event. Let's start with the first step by creating an interface called OnClickListener. We need to implement this OnClickListener in the view holder. So this interface will act as a contract between the adapter and the activity or fragment that uses the RecyclerView. And we need to define within this interface a method to handle item clicks. I'll start by onClick and I pass two parameters. The first one is of type view and the second parameter is of type int. This allows us to return a view object on the item clicked and also detect the position of the item clicked. The second step is to modify our view holder in the adapter class. So I'll start by creating a public OnClickListener click listen, and I need to link it with view.OnClickListener. So for that, I'll start by creating a method that allows us to link between this click listener in the main activity and assign it to the view OnClickListener interface. Set OnClickListener, I need to pass one parameter of type itemClickListener, my listener, creating a link between the click listener and the view.clickList. Later on, when we use this method, I need to pass a listener and set it to the click listener. So I am referring to this item click list. This is a customized interface. Third step, modifying the view holder. When the item view is clicked, you will call the method of the defined interface, passing the clicked item's position as an argument. So I need to go to here, to the view holder constructor, and I'll set it itemView.setOnClickListener to this. I know it may be confusing and a little bit complex. And this I need to refer it as the implemented view OnClickListener. This is what I'm talking about. View OnClickListener is an interface provided by the Android framework that defines a single method. If we click on it, Control and left mouse, I'll go to the OnClickListener, and you can see it's an interface defined in this view package containing only one method, onClick, which gets invoked when a view or UI element is clicked. It's commonly used to set up click listeners for various UI elements such as buttons, text views, images, and so on. And we use many in our previous applications. When you implement the view.OnClickListener, in this case in the view holder class, and override the onClick method, Alt plus Enter to implement it, and you can see it's here. You're specifying what should happen when the associated view is clicked. This interface allows you to create modular code that responds to user interactions in a clean and organized manner. Let's join this interface with our custom interface that we create. If click listener, I need to change my class, remove the static keyword and make it non-static. So click listener in order to access the click listener. Click listener doesn't equal to null. I'm specifying and testing that it is not null. Click listener dot onClick need two parameters to be passed. The first parameter is the view, which is as a parameter on the click. So I'm passing it here. The second parameter is get adapter position. It's of type integer. And the get adapter position method is used to retrieve the adapter position of the item associated with the view holder. This method is particularly useful when you need to know the position of the clicked item within the data set. The last step is to go to the main activity and link the adapter with the click listener. So adapter dot set click listener to this, and I need to implement the click listener that I created before. Implements item click listen. Alt plus enter, implement the method called onClick, and you can see this is my method, capital C and capital L, and you can see that I am implementing this method that is associated with the view.onClickListener interface. So I am assigning my custom interface to this interface that handles the click events on the view. And I need to display a toast message telling us the name of the chosen category. List, item list dot get. I need to pass position dot get item name. Run. And congratulations, guys. We succeeded in getting and handling the click events on the items of the recycler view.